Hey everybody, got a video of the best tool ever. Of course I have hundreds, maybe thousands of tools. Some may say it's this. I don't know, not everybody drinks coffee. It depends on what you're doing, you know. If you fell down a cliff, well, this would be your best tool ever, because that would save your life, possibly. But to me, out of all these tools, there has to be one that's the best. And I know what it is, of course. First work order I ever got. I want to say hi to Miss China. She was my first manager ever. This is for fixing a dishwasher. I had no idea how to fix a dishwasher at all. Nothing. I had this is all painting supplies and tools. I had never fixed a dishwasher. I was pretty good at doing mechanical stuff and fixing this, that, the other, watches. I used to be a watchmaker. Could tear apart a watch and fix it, and I had no idea how to fix a dishwasher. So I get this work order, I go in there, take a picture of the model number, and I ask the tenant, you know, I excuse myself. I tell her I'll be back in a couple of minutes. What do? I go get my phone right there. That was the actual phone I was using back then. It's Galaxy 7. I still use it. It's got 3.5 years of work on it. It's the best tool I've ever had. Anything, there's no tool that could beat it at all. I just watched the video. I put in the model number and, you know, a description. If not draining, right away somebody had a video of how to fix that dishwasher that was not draining. So in today's age, I think that ignorance is optional. Ignorance is optional. It's all right there. I mean, you don't get knowledge out of a phone, but you get a lot of information that could be transformed into knowledge. Of course, all these tools are very important. Of course. And now you think, well, because phones are like $1,000 now. This wasn't that much back then, but I don't know, it was maybe 400, 500. But I've had it for 3.5 years, so it's paid itself off. I'm not trying to compare, you know, Samsungs to Galaxies to iPhones to none like that. I'm just saying any phone. To me, a phone is well worth $1,000 because of all the knowledge you have in there. I remember when I was a kid, my dad used to buy encyclopedias, which were really, really, really expensive. You know, and then you had to get another one every 4 or 5 years. We don't need that anymore. It's all right there. And it's changing every day, updating every day. So, is a good tool, worth $1,000? Absolutely. To me it is, because it's a tool. It's a tool that I get my money's worth out of. So to me, that is definitely the most important tool. It's a tool that a pilot could use, you know. Some guy flying in the sky and he needs to know, I don't know, the weather maybe or something. Of course I know there's people telling him that, computers. But he could always Google it before he leaves. A welder can find welding supplies. A plumber can see what stores are open at 10 or midnight or whatever. What's a tool that everybody can use? A lawyer, he can Google something on, you know, if he's got to do it in his car or something. So to me, this is the most important tool ever. And like I said before, ignorance is not only optional.